Hi, we're going to show you how to register a business account. Starting on the home page, you will see in the top right corner a person icon. This is how you access your account. Now you are brought to a new screen to either log in or sign up. Let's click Create New Account. Here, you will choose which account type you would like. Business account. Next, fill in your shop info, and then the number of your sales representative. If you haven't purchased from Wurth before, you can skip this next step. If you have purchased from Wurth in the past, click this box. This gives you the option to provide your customer number and an invoice number to faster connect your existing account with your sales representative to this new online account. You can find these numbers on a past invoice issued in 2019 or later. If you don't know your number, click this box here. This lets us know you have an existing account so we can still connect you. Next, fill in your contact information. Keep in mind this is your business account. Create a password following our security criteria. Perfect. Fill in your shipping information. If your billing information is different from your shipping information, uncheck this box and add in the preferred billing address. Next, choose your preferred language. Now we are at the best part. Click this box if you would like to receive emails that give you up-to-date information, promos, discounts, and specials. Most definitely. Click. Now we are ready to sign up. One last step, confirm and connect. You will receive a confirmation email to the address you provided. Once confirmed, your account will be activated within 24 hours. But if you provided your customer number and invoice number, a second email will be sent to the email address we already have on file. This may be a different address than the one you provided during the sign-up. This email will grant you access to your existing account with your sales representative and give you immediate activation. No need to wait 24 hours. You are now ready to shop online. Browse through our many products and promotions and view your customized pricing. Enjoy!